What's going on, FD5, man? It's your boy, it's my team, man. Come back with another video. I'm trying to catch up to Jay right now, but Jay kind of took off on me because his car's tuned. So, yeah. So he has a better advantage of me. There he is right there. I don't know if y'all can see that gray AMG up there. But I gotta look at the address and drive at the same time like this, bro. Like, this is actually kind of hard, I ain't gonna lie. It's actually kind of hard. But there goes AMGJ up there, as y'all can see. Bro, like, come on, bro. I don't want to split y'all right now, bro. I don't feel like doing that today, man. I don't feel like turning up on y'all today, bro. I don't feel like turning up today. But I guess I have to. I guess I have to. I ain't gonna lie, last time, when me and Jalen drove, bro, I got into a wreck. So, I'm gonna try to stay far as away as possible from him. But I'm gonna try to get the best cutting up as I can with us right now. He gonna cut up once he starts seeing I'm cutting up. That's how he is. But I'm not gonna try to do too much because I can't get another ticket, so I gotta chill. Knock on wood. All praise to God. I can't get it no more until April. Well, after April, but I'm gonna try not to. I'm not gonna lie to you, but yeah. So we're gonna keep cutting up for y'all. You know what I'm saying? I'm the only one switching lanes. Hey Jay, come on, bro, step it up. Hey, get away. I ain't rocking with it. I'm not rocking with it. Come on, twin. I ain't going for it. Not. Stay away from me. I ain't going for none of that. See, if real me would have cut through here and took off, I ain't gonna lie to you. That's just me though. See, look, you gotta watch out for people like that with the big trucks like that, bro. I'm telling you, bro, you don't know if they undercover or in cover, you know what I'm saying? I ain't going for that one. No sir. I ain't gonna lie, my hand already hurt, bro. I'm finna give me a GoPro. Bro, this car's on my, bro, like, Jesus, bro. Get off of me. Brake check. Watch out, bro. You all up on my foot. Jesus. Bro, my arm is killing me right now. I'm not gonna lie to you. But like I said, bro, we're on the way to, I think it's called Texas Powerhouse, I want to say, in Houston. Because, like I said, my boy finna get his headliner done. They should be there already by now. I think so. So we're gonna be a little late, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? And then we should slide to the mall or something like that. Probably. I really don't know, to be honest. But yeah, we're gonna see what's gonna shake. Oh, what's going on with the lighting? There it is. All right, but yeah, like I said, we're gonna see what's shaking. You know what I'm saying? But right now, we give y'all boys a little Nissan AMG type of thing. You know, I need to get a thumbnail. I do need to get a thumbnail. I'm not gonna lie to you. Actually, matter of fact, let me get it normal real quick. All right. I had to get it normal so I can give me a little thumbnail real quick. I should have told bro before we even started driving. I ain't gonna lie. Let me see, can I get it? Why is he falling? Whoa! That loud! Oh my, yeah, he don't want no smoke with Jay, I ain't gonna lie. That boy Jay cutting up. I ain't gonna lie, that Mustang not rocking with, bro. I ain't gonna lie to you. That Mustang wanna rock with me? I ain't gonna lie, you not rocking with my brother. You not rocking with my brother, twin. It's only one of my doors open, but it ain't. I don't know why it does that all the time, but damn. Jay, come here so I can get a thumbnail, boy. Come on. I need a thumbnail, bro. Hold on. I'm trying to get it real quick. Hold on. Bro, my hand hurts. I don't wanna. I just need bro to like slow down for like 5 seconds, bro. He got his cartoon, bro. Bro don't know how to act. Hey, watch out. Bro, last time when we got into a wreck, I know y'all heard my story time, but bro was literally sitting in traffic. And the fast lane at that. The fast lane is crazy to me, bro. Cause like, why is bro sitting there anyway? That's an X60. You want no smoke? My car faster than your car. Slowpoke, idiot. My car's faster than yours. Oh, here it goes. Here it goes. Here it goes. I'm trying to get on that right hand side real quick. Never mind, bro. What was the point? Boom. Got it. Got my thumbnail. Thank you for the thumbnail. Thank you for the thumbnail. I need bro to get to at least to the right, bro. Look at him taking off. Look at him. Look. He's trying to take off. Bro, where are you going? Stop moving. Stop moving. Don't not know how to drive, bro. Like, you doing all this moving on the road for what? It ain't going nowhere. I hate people that drive in Houston, bro. None of them can drive. None of them. Like, bro, come on, bro. You all up in the traffic way, bro. Doing all that unnecessary boo. Like, come on, fam. Can't be doing that one, baby. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's crazy to me. My arm hurts. My hand slipping. Jay taking off again. Bro. Wait till I get my M4, bro. It's raps, bro. I promise you. It's gonna be raps when I get my M4, bro. Because once I get my cartoon, I'm on everybody. I'm on everybody, you know what I'm saying? I'm on everybody. I am on everybody head top, I promise you. I ain't gonna lie, I'm gonna try to at least get like 10 minutes because I'm not cutting nothing out because, you know, I ain't saying nothing too crazy, I don't think. But, let me see, can I try to get the thumbnail real quick, hold on. Now my bro wanna take off now with his whiskey. Like, look at bro! Bro, one of my windows sound down. I don't know why, bro. That's why I don't like driving with like down on music, but all I hear is straight wind. I feel like it's going through every single window, bro. Like, bro, this is tiring. Jesus. Hey, Vontae. Hey, let me know how you do this, bro, because I ain't gonna lie, my arm hurt. I ain't gonna cap to you. It's a big bird. I got issues, barrel on that junk stick. My bad, I couldn't get in at 0.5 for y'all, but yeah, we're gonna make it work. Cause I'm on my other phone right now, so we're gonna make something straight. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna make something straight. We're gonna make something straight. Barrel on that drum stick. Hey, but appreciate the subs, bro. We got 7 subscribers on this channel, man, and we just gonna keep glowing. Well, that makes sense. We're gonna keep growing from this, man. You know what I'm saying? So the goal by the end of this year on FD5 channel is at least past 100 subscribers, obviously. But I feel like we're gonna get it, man. I feel like we're gonna get it. I feel like we're gonna get it, bro. Like, we just gotta trust the process, you know what I'm saying? So, with that being said, let's go and hit that sub button. Everybody hit that sub button if you haven't already. Make sure y'all like the video as well. Make sure y'all go watch the other video of the first video that we made, you know what I'm saying? All that good stuff. But, hey, y'all gonna get a different perspective from Jay whenever he actually start recording, because I don't know why bro don't be recording his car. I don't know why. Bro be bugging. Bro be bugging. I don't know why. But, yeah, anyways. Once I get that M4, I'm gonna do POV drives for y'all too, obviously. I wanna get off. I ain't rocking with this too much. I don't trust none of this right here. Cause I ain't gonna lie, I feel like I'm led like them. They're a little too close. But ain't no traffic, so I mean, it makes sense. Watch, when we pass the brown car, watch Jay take off. Watch Jay take off. Watch. Calling it. Oh, I guess not. What the what is that? What is that white car? Is that an undercover cop? What is that? I need a thumbnail. Boom. Gotcha, boy. Gotcha, boy. Appreciate that thumbnail, boy. Appreciate that thumbnail, boy. You know what I'm saying? Hey, make sure y'all don't do this, bro. If y'all doing car content, bro, make sure y'all get a GoPro or something, bro. Cause like, all what I'm doing is really not necessary. But hey, man, I'm doing it for good content for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the video right here, man. Like I said, make sure you like and subscribe. Comment down below if y'all want some more POVs, man. And comment down below if y'all want Jay to do some POVs inside his AMG. But yeah, man, it's been your boys FD5, man. We out this thing. Y'all stay safe, man. I'm gone. Gang.